Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook, and Bing Ad certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with an amazing, interesting, yet long video regarding Google Merchant Center restoration and suspension. But what makes this case study unique from all other case studies we have today is because this account was, first was initially suspended for website need improvement, and once we were able to get the suspension restored, then the account was suspended for misrepresentation within 2 to 3 days. Just imagine, the client, what kind of, first of all, we like to thank our client who was very patient, yet, yet he eventually became aggressive as well, but I can understand that as well. But I'm glad is that we were able to get the account restored. But, he showed a lot of patience. So let me appreciate you on him on this thing. Okay, so because you know firstly to get recovered from website needs improvement was a lot of detailed and hustle based issue. We had to check on website errors, we had to check on the 404 pages, we had to check on the coding, we had to check on the pricing, add to cart, every adding products, checking out the checkout system, checking out the payment system, working on the contact form, looking it out on the logos, uh, seeing the social media, Google Map, Google Business reviews, and everything. It took us a lot of time. So yeah, because it took us a lot of time. So after that, you can see suddenly that your account is being suspended for misrepresentation. So that was very disheartening, or I do not have words to explain. How much sad the client was, because you have to pay a certain cost with Shopify, server cost, domain cost, and you also have to hire a staff for shipping and other things, and that is your expenses are constant, and your store is not approved in Google, and that is causing issue. And especially when it first got restored and then got suspended again, and we overviewed each and everything. Trust me, it took us a lot of time to review all products again and again. We variously looked on the products pages, we thoroughly reviewed on what can be the issues. uh, then we looked on the website issues. But let me show you let me show you the account now, and then I'm going to tell you my further story over here on what things we actually did. So here is an account, and you can see that the account has been got approved, and we just got an email from our Google support that the account is suspended, restored without requesting even a review. So it's a very happy moment for us, and I'm going to show you the screenshot of data as well, and then so you guys have an idea on how much happy the client was. You can see everything is now being approved on this account, and okay, so while it takes time to load, let me show you a few things over here as well. This is the free listing results, so let's move on to all performance over here, and while gets loaded over here. So let me now show you the Google message. So here you can see over here that first they say that the client is on the cool down period, and it's going to be till 31st. But because we were constantly in touch with the Google team, and because it's been a while, so you can see over here that thank you for your patience post checking your account. I'm happy to inform you that the suspension have been revoked and your account is active and ready to serve. So it's a great news and a sign of relief for our client. uh, few things were new additional, such as they asked for the robots.txt file. They also said that your Google Ads account is suspended, and we worked on that as well. So a lot of things we did to get the account restored. And let me tell you that the account story is huge. Why? Because it took us a lot of time to get it restored, like probably a month or more than a month, to get it restored. Post again, constantly in touch with the Google team, plus support changes, based on our past experiences. We also had to overview and go through all the cases we got restored, because this case was special because this was a double restoration. And because it went prolonged, which is why we had to look on other cases as well, and we cross check the errors or things we learn from our experiences, because each case we learn also something new as well. So we applied all the learnings we had, and again it's always a team effort. So I like to credit my team as well who worked along with me, and like a day and night to get it restored. So constant follow-ups, plus making changes, compliance issues, everything. It took us a lot of time, but I'm glad that we were able to get the account restored. So in case if you need services regarding Google Merchant Data restoration, Google Ads suspension, Google Ads management, GMC management, Google Shopping Ads management, Facebook management, SEO management, web development services, me and my teams can help you with this. The details are in the description of this video on how you can switch with us and work with us. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So once again, thank you. Thanks again to our client who was patient enough, to support us. And then, it was a long list of changes. I cannot even exactly right now tell all the changes, because because it went over a more than a month period, and there were so many things, so many things, and we repeatedly look on the landing page for so many times that it went. It is a huge list of changes we did. So yeah, thank you. Take care and bye bye.